Hello again, it's going to be a warm and a muggy one through the night tonight. We've got further showers at first, but otherwise largely clear skies developing across northern and eastern parts of the country, but we will see the return of some showers out towards the west. Maybe see a few showers across central southern England for a time this evening. They'll tend to clear away quite quickly. And then it's clear skies across many northern and eastern areas, a few mist and fog patches forming as well. But out towards the west, that's where we see the skies clouding over, outbreaks of rain and possibly the odd rumble of thunder pushing in through the early hours of Tuesday. Look at these temperatures though, warm and muggy for this time of year, 17 the low in some places, making for an uncomfortable night for sleeping. As we go through Tuesday morning then, a bright start across Scotland, parts of northern England, but soon clouding over here, and we'll start to see thunderstorms breaking out through the day. We've got Met Office warnings in place. We could see some pretty lively downpours through the day, the risk of hail, some flash flooding as well. Almost anywhere could see the risk of thunderstorms, but it's particularly going to be central parts of England and Wales, northern England and northern Scotland where we could see some of the most intense downpours. So we have some weather warnings in place. These are your warning areas for Tuesday across the country, covering quite a large swathe of the UK. Do watch out for those downpours because they will cause some surface water flooding and some tricky travelling conditions if you are making any travel plans. Temperature wise though, it stays on the warm and humid side, particularly the further east that you are, getting into the mid-20s in places, but notice the breeze down towards the southwest, that's picking up, so it will feel fresher across southern parts of the country and indeed for many western areas as well than it has done today. Through Tuesday evening and overnight though, the thunderstorms remain in force. I think we could see the further lively downpours and some more rain pushing in for Northern Ireland, North Wales and into northwest England. This could give the risk of some flooding as well, quite torrential rain falling at times. Temperatures still on the warm side, but with more of a breeze in general, it probably won't feel quite as close as it has done over the last few nights. And for Wednesday morning, some of us will wake up to sunshine, but it is going to be quite wet across northern England and particularly Scotland. So we have a rain warning in force here. We could see persistent rain through the central belt and northern parts of Scotland through much of the day on Wednesday, making for a pretty grim picture here. Elsewhere, we're back to a mixture of sunshine and heavy downpours. These could form in lines across the country, so for some, we could see a succession, one shower after another. For other areas, it could be a little bit brighter. With more of a breeze, though, does mean that those showers will zip through a little more quickly than they have done today. Temperature-wise on Wednesday, well, these are the numbers we should be at for this time of year, so returning closer to average 21 towards the southeast, that's 70 in Fahrenheit. Now, as we look ahead towards the latter part of the week, that area of low pressure that we saw at the beginning stays with us. We continue to see a fairly changeable picture. Through Wednesday and Thursday, the low just starts to drift its way eastwards, so we do start to see a northwesterly breeze blowing in, and that is going to give some fresher air again for the end of the week. So the nights will turn cooler, it will become a lot less humid than it feels out there at the moment, and temperatures will return to, if not average, maybe a little bit below average at times. So we do have those thunderstorm warnings in force for the next 24 hours or so. Do stay tuned to the latest from the Met Office. You can follow us across all of our social media platforms, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.